Automotive technology today is not nuts and bolts, although we do a lot of fasteners, but there's so much more to the automotive industry.
The thing that surprised me the most about this program is how much we work on the actual vehicle and not on a mock-up or in the classroom.
We are an ASE NATEP certified program. We train in all 8 ASE areas. We have right around 14 different actual scan tools and way to pull diagnostic codes, PID data, and so on and so forth that way. We've got 2 PC-based lab scope systems. We've got 3 OEM type systems. Meters, we've got pretty much across the line fluke meters that we use here and snap-on meters that we train with also.
Layton, he can be intimidating, but he is one of the smartest men when it comes to cars. He knows almost everything. He's very knowledgeable in the field. He has hands-on experience. He is the guy.
Well, I got out of the military, checked around at different programs, and found out who was the best. In Northeastern Junior College, their instructor was the best that I found.
I chose NJC because I heard that this program was one of the best you can get. You're going to come out of here, you're going to know a lot more than you knew going in.